You are watching Macspace.
Hey there, fellas. It's me, Detective Dot. And today, we've got a super tricky mission. We're going to spot the difference between two pictures. So, are your eyes sharp and brain ready? Let's go. Let's start with some fruit. Can you spot the difference? Look closer. Yes, it's banana. Cars. What did you choose this time? A different color. It's a blue car. Let's check out these socks now. This looks different. The pink socks are the only socks with polka dots. So it's the pink socks. It's time for everyone's favorite, ice cream. Can you spot the difference this time? It looks pretty easy. It's the chocolate ice cream. You see the color difference here? Chocolate is brown and vanilla is white. Now let's look at these clothes. I see a lot of t-shirts. So, can you spot the difference? It's the frock. My favorite. The difference is in the patterns and the design, and obviously it's not a t-shirt. Okay, so let's look at these letters. A, B, C, 7. Can you spot the difference? Obviously, it's number 7. What is it doing here? It's an odd one out. Okay, so let's go for the numbers now. One, fish, 2, 3. How did the fish come in the middle? Well, that's it. It's the fish. How about some tools now? Can you spot the difference? Help me. Oh, I see something different here. It's the cookie. Cookie is not a tool. You guessed it right. Let's go to the park now. I see flowers, bee, a pot, swing. Oops. Somebody forgot it in the park. Come, let's look at the sky. I see the sun, so what's the star? Oh, what's the juice doing there? Definitely that's the odd one out. So which one is it? I see it. Yes, it's the house. House is a construction, it's not a vehicle. Now let's go to the bedroom and see what's there. I see it again. It's a rocket ship. What is it doing in my bedroom? Let's do some sports now. I'm not playing with ball and a racket. Oh, I forgot my cap here. It should be on my head, not on the grass. I can't play with it, so obviously it's a cap. Let's see some musical instruments. Can you find the odd one out? Do you see what I see? There's pizza. What is it actually doing with the musical instruments? So let's go to the kitchen and see some utensils. Can you spot the difference? I see it here. I see it here. A missing puzzle piece.
You can also find our Jungle Learning series of 5 books, Summer Activity Book for Kids, Phonics worksheets, worksheets for treasure hunt, and much more only on Gumroad. So don't forget to check out the description box below. And hey, don't forget to visit Mac Colors. It's our online store packed with colorful clothes, fun accessories, cool stuff your kids will love.
Adorable t-shirts, stylish hoodies, and cozy baby one-pieces. Welcome to Mac Colors, where creativity meets color. Mac Colors is a vibrant shop filled with personality and playful charm, offering a colorful collection of customizable products for kids, teens, and the young at heart. From beautiful decorative cushions to fun and functional kids stationery, we've got you covered. Whether you're on the hunt for a superhero wall clock to brighten your son's bedroom, a cool drawstring bag, festive Easter shower curtains, or a quirky baseball cap for your geeky friend, there's something unique for everyone and every occasion. Mac Colors, where imagination comes to life in every product. Visit our store now on Redbubble and discover your next favorite find.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.